Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my new travel vlog. Today we visited one of the most famous waterfall in Goa. It is just 14 km from North Goa. This is Walpoi village. There we visited. My husband and my daughter is enjoying snacks. See the beautiful view of Harvalam Waterfall. It's very beautiful. We visited there during monsoon. You can also visit to this waterfall. My daughter is enjoying her time in rain. The waterfall is very beautiful. We spent more time there and we enjoyed. We clicked photos and videos. The beautiful view, enjoy. After that, we're back to home. Please like, share and comment to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is in description.